to my YouTube channel. You are with Victoria, and remember, all you need to do is just hit subscribe to tune in to plenty more videos that are coming your way. But today we are looking at our gel nails. How are we going to make these last at home? So I know, as being a client and being a professional nail tech myself, that this is one of the biggest problems that clients are faced with, or you're faced with at home, is how to get your nails to last for that 2-week period. So here's some of my top tips that you can do at home, just really simple steps of things that are going to help your nails last a lot longer. So I'm going to just put my hand in front of the camera so you can see a nice close-up. On my natural nails here, I've got quite short nails, so I've kept them all quite short, and I've just got a gel polish on top of them. So they've been on about a week, so they're going strong still. So what you'll notice is sometimes after about 3 to 4 days, that glossy surface, if I just twist my hand, you can see they're nice and glossy. But what happens is they start to look a bit dull, a bit tired. They start to lose that nice glossy finish. So what you can do is just simply put a clear top coat, just a normal nail varnish, just on top of it after, as I said, about 3 to 4 days, and you can repeat that a couple of times and it just brings that gloss back. Secondly, what I want you to do is not to file your nails. So if I just hold that nice and close, I'm just going to tip my nail up so you can see what we call the free edge of the nail, the end of the nail. The coloured gel comes over the end of my nail, so you can't see that natural part of your nail. So when you're looking at your own, what you want to do is make sure you don't take that bit away. So if you're watching telly at night, you think, oh, my nails are getting a little bit long, don't take the file to them, because all you're going to do, break that seal, and then they'll start lifting and coming away. Just leave them, and if you are finding they're too long, just go back to your nail technician and get her just to take the length down, and then she can redo the gels for you as well to seal everything back in. Thirdly, if you find at the base of your nail, so again, I'll just hold it close for you on the camera. So sometimes here at the base, at the cuticle, and you will have all had this, and I certainly had it myself, you start to get a little edge and it starts to like lift up. Now, all you'll all be tempted is to literally lift and peel that away. I don't want you to do that. That is the bit is really hard not to, but if you peel your gels off, all you're going to do is pull off some of your natural nail underneath, and then they're going to be really, really weak, really sore, and then it's no point in having your nails done because you're just making your own nails much worse underneath. So no picking, no pulling, no biting, any of those things that you're tempted to do. If you do get an edge like that, what I'd suggest is just put a little bit of top coat over the top of your nail, and it kind of just seals it in, gives you a chance to get back to your nail tech for her to sort it out. That leads on to no home removals. So don't think, oh, that's okay, I've watched my nail tech take my nails off before, I'll just get some acetone and I'll do it myself at home. If you try and do it yourself, I can guarantee, and I know from experience when I've taken mine off before I was trained as a nail technician, that if you do it at home, 9 times out of 10, you're going to end up damaging and ruining your natural nails underneath. So just make sure no home removals unless you're professionally trained, you've been on a course, done an online course of some description. Make sure you know what you're doing or return to somebody that does. And then another top tip is to help prevent them from lifting and keeping them looking nice and glossy is get some cuticle oil. So cuticle oil should be with you everywhere. So I always say put it in your handbag, have it by the sink, in the kitchen, anywhere, or in your car, anywhere that you're gonna be, and 3 to 4 times a day, try and just put a little bit of cuticle oil on, rub it around the skin of your cuticles, and it just stops them from drying out, which is then can be another thing or another reason why it can then start to lift and not look as good as they should be. So the last tip that I would say is, if you're going to be cleaning, gardening, decorating, washing up, any of those things that are quite heavy on your hands and nails, get your marigolds on. So I know they're not the most flattering, and if you're honest with yourself right now, you'll probably say, no, I've never worn them, don't find them easy to work with, but it's going to save you money and it's going to make sure your nails last. So get those marigolds on. If you don't, again, all you're going to do is just cause them to lift, and you're kind of wasting your time and your money. So follow those top tips. Let me know how you get on, and remember, if there's any other videos you'd like to see, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to share them. You've been with Victoria Arpels. Remember, just hit subscribe and I'll see you very soon. See you soon.